Hi, I'm Viola from Effortless Marketing, and I want to talk to you about what local business marketing is. The obvious answer is marketing for local businesses. But what are local businesses? Most of the time, we think about the brick and mortar businesses, dentists, restaurants, so forth, or probably the service oriented businesses that service clients at their residence or place of business, such as locksmith, plumbers, roofers. And in reality, that's the core of what local businesses are. That's how we define them. I just want to attract attention to those businesses that maybe don't consider local marketing um, because they think of themselves as international, such as maybe an e-commerce business, maybe you're selling jewelry, or maybe you're a life coach. So coaches like that who are looking at more of an international market. And this is where I see people missing out on focusing or having a part of their marketing focus on local, unless so all businesses are local businesses in my opinion, unless they want to exclude the local market. Having said that, local marketing is done differently than international marketing, and the results can be faster, easier to achieve. That's why I'm suggesting for everybody, every business, to focus or have part of the focus on local marketing. And you can do it yourself, like with everything else. We can learn stuff. It takes time. It's either time or money, right? So, so you can learn it, and we are more than happy to teach you. We have a program for that, and so you can click on the button that says "Do it yourself," local marketing, or we can do it for you, and then you don't have to worry about, oh, is it done or am I missing out on the local market. That could be very lucrative. So I just encourage you and invite you to explore and our options that we offer, and to contact us with any questions. Don't worry, we're not going to flood you with any unnecessary marketing material that um, you don't want. So, yes, hope to hear from you, and actually looking forward to hearing from you and answer your questions if you have any. Thank you.